Did you have a good weekend, Tom?
Oh, it was great. I went to London. I was at Wimbledon to see the tennis championships.
Did you go with your dad?
No, he worked at the hospital last weekend. I went with my mum and grandpa.
Were there a lot of spectators?
Of course. Unfortunately, the first game was short and not very exciting, but the next one was very good.
What did you do after that? Did you catch the train home?
No, we went to an Italian restaurant and had a delicious pizza for dinner. It was really great. We didn't come back on Saturday, but stayed at my grandpa's for Sunday.
Oh, so what did you do on Sunday? Did you see more tennis games?
No, we just went for a walk in the park, and then we caught the train home after dinner.
Sounds like a really nice weekend.
It was.